Well, hello there again, traders. This is Art Dill for FuturesTradingCompany.net and a recap of our trading for June 14th, 2012. A wild finish to the day. Had some really good trades in the afternoon. A little tough trading in the morning, although overall we did very well. The Globex trading in the morning at 3 a.m. Eastern this morning was very tough, much choppier than normal. Ended up going 4-2 and only plus 21 points, so almost not worth getting up. In fact, it wasn't worth getting up for the 21 points, but I'll take it. Again, it was just very tough. During the cash session today, we went 11-6 on the Dow, 1-0 on the Nasdaq, and as you can see, gross, not counting commissions today, $585. All in all, a very good day. I'm going to put the trade sheet up so you can take a look at the trades we actually took. And there's the trade sheet for you to take a look at. You can see we took 6 trades early in the morning on the overnight Globex. The first one was a losing trade, minus 24 points. We fought back. The last trade I took was plus 32, and as choppy as it was, I said good night to everyone, and we called it an evening or morning. Then today early, kind of back and forth. First trade was a winning trade there at 6:35 a.m. Small winner, then 2 small losers. Then a couple of decent winning trades, 25-23. Then two losing trades, and then this afternoon we had one last morning trade there, plus 25 at 7:47, long 2 contracts. But then we went 3-0 in the afternoon. This last trade I took, which was a breakout trade, market had been just going kind of sideways at this level. 12.525 is where I got in for quite some time, and I thought if we broke out of that, it would be a sharp move. Unfortunately, I only had 2 contracts on because it went, I think it shot up about 100 points there in about 5 minutes. I'm going to get the chart up and we'll take a look at that. Before I get to that trade, let me just give you some information here. Here's our contact information. If you'd like a free trial of the room, either send me an email or sign on to the website, sign the guest book. I'll get you in for 1 free week trial. Also available now, if you have a TradeStation account, for trading the early morning Globex. This is the 3 mornings a week, Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday mornings. We have the room open at 3 a.m. Eastern Time to be able to take advantage of the Globex trading, which is oftentimes trends much better than the day session. Last night, that did not happen to be true, but overall, typically it will. Let me get to that trade now, and I'll show you that last trade we took. Here it is. I got long at 12:02. At least that's what my trade sheet says here. Yeah, right here. This was a breakout long. There's my. You can see how long we were going sideways for. Oh gosh. 11:30, 12, over 30 minutes. Had just gone absolutely sideways, and so I'd had a trigger fire here. Wasn't going to take that at that point, but the further longer we went sideways, I just drew a little line across the top and took the breakout. And breakout price was 12,525. Took one off at 532 and one off at 540. Unfortunately, if you could see how far that ran up, over 100 points from 525 to 12,630. That was a huge move, very volatile this afternoon, and that was some news report out of Europe that the European banks were going to have a coordinated effort adding liquidity to their banking system and the economy. So that was the reason for that move. And then we'll just, if you were brave, you could have gotten in a couple of times. It was wild. Big moves, quick moves. Big down move there. From 630 down to 530. That was another 100-point move to the downside from the high. So it was a wild, wild afternoon in the market. But overall, it was a positive day for us. Let's see where we are now. The cash market has closed, and now we're at this. See, we've climbed back up here. 609. High was 631. So there have been some confirming statements now out of the Bank of England. And so the central bankers around the world are concerned about the economy and very concerned about Europe. And they are putting their heads together and going to, they obviously are talking about a coordinated effort to make sure that we don't go and slip into another recession here worldwide. So hopefully that will work. Another good day of trading at Futures Trading Company. We have new members coming into the room all the time. If you'd like to try to come in for 1 week, let me know. I'll get you the access and you can see this work in real time. Have a great evening, everyone. Again, Art Dill for FuturesTradingCompany.net, trading to win. Good night.